this is like a secret. Respectfully, my makeup looks like shit. It is pilling everywhere. Nothing is concealed. So we're gonna start over again and see if we can figure out why my makeup looks like shit. Alright, y'all. I took my makeup off, so now let's do a little bit of skin prep. First thing is lip prep. This is the Ole Hendrickson multi-peptide. Smells like a creamsicle, and honestly, I just started prepping my lips for makeup and it really does make a difference. Next thing that I want to use, Live Tinted sent me their Hue Guard. It's a 3-in-1 mineral sunscreen, moisturizer, and primer. And I love SPF, so let's see. It is tinted. Look at that glow. When I just did my makeup and it looked terrible, I just used my moisturizer and it was like 3 hours before. It was not this. Look how glowy I am. Okay. The brushes I'm going to be using for the look are from Yana's Eyes. I used my fingers when I did my makeup the last time and it did not work out. So we're going to put to test to see if the tools matter. And these, I love them, and I'll link them in the TikTok shop below. Under eye brightener. This one is from Becca. You don't need much, and like I barely dipped my finger in, and holy heck and Bob, look how. For brows, I'm gonna use this, I think it's called Unleasha. It's a Korean skincare brand. I really like the applicator. This gel is no joke. And last time I did not even do my brows, so that's why they looked like shit. It's like $4 and your brows will not go anywhere. And it's super cheap and it dries down fast and it's not crusty dusty. And look at my brows. They will stay there for the rest of my life. You guys get to make fun of me. I do my eyeliner. This is from Fine Art Beauty. Daniel Renee turned me onto them. You can get like a pack of their eyeliners for like, I don't know, I think it was like 12 bucks. I did a whole video. And then this is the brown. I don't know how to tightline, but it's a lot easier for me to do it before I have stuff on my eyes because I have to like hold on for dear life. That does not look bad. Okay, eyeliner is done. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty eyebrow pencil. Honestly, I haven't used this much. So there's like a gel on one side. Oh, this is what I want. And then there's like a little wax stick. I think wax sticks are my favorite, just because I feel like I have more control and I'm kind of a beginner at this. But like I said, my brows are going nowhere and I love it. I'm going to carve them out with the Glossier concealer. This is in the shade G11. But again, this is from Yana's Eyes. I really like her brushes. Then I just take the pot concealer and go over my own eye just to get rid of that redness. I'm gonna take a little bit on this guy. And hopefully that'll dry. And then for eyeshadow, we are gonna go in with this Fine Art Beauty palette. It's freaking huge. I've never used it before. First, go in with FY22. Just all over the lid. And this palette comes in like 3 different variations. One's like super light, one's like medium, and the other one's super dark. So I really like that. This brush is good too. I'm gonna go a little bit with F19 and just sort of go like over my crease. Just for a little bit of something, I don't know. For the last one, I'm gonna go with F17 and just do a little bit my outer corner. And I love this palette because it looks like in the mirror. Say hi to yourself. Wow. The last thing for the eyes, I got this REM Beauty. This is in the shade Lab Coat. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Oh, where's my brush? Is this the right brush for this? No. I actually like the applicator on this because it's not, like, it takes some of the product off, so you're not, like, gonna hurt yourself. We're gonna go in with this Say, what is this stuff called? Glowy Super Gel. This is in the shade Star Glow. I love Say. And we already used the lip tinted glowy moisturizer, but why have I not used this enough? And I just wiped off the concealer that I used. Great. I want to try something. I saw someone who does their concealer before their foundation, so I want to see if it works. I should not have put that there. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I love this concealer. Concealer's super light, but it's okay. For foundation, we're going to keep it in the family and use the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 110. I have no idea if this is the right shade. I heard this part. I heard that you can get a pump. If anyone has a link, send me. This is a little light, but... And I'm taking the brush from Yana's Eyes and just patting that baby in. I might look a little bit like a ghost. That's okay, we have bronzer. I actually don't mind that. Am I the only one? I'm not a makeup wipe girly, but I always have one in my hand to wipe all the makeup off me. Just note to self, love the foundation, but I need a darker shade. So let's go in with contour, bronzer. This is the Rare Beauty in shade Power Boost. I'm gonna put it on my hand. I keep seeing people do this and it looks good. I'm gonna use my foundation brush. Whoa. If you guys see me doing something that I could do better, please tell me. Literally the biggest makeup collection, but I'm still learning how to use it. I'm not the best. Hence why I messed up my makeup earlier. That's like a weekly occurrence. That's not bad, right? Next, we're gonna go in with this Rare Beauty Nearly Rose Melting Blush. I've had this forever, but I haven't tried it. Oh, there she is. Ooh, this is like subtle-ish. Now I'm gonna set my face. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me under my eye. This is in the shade 10, Fair Light. Ooh, hell. The powder puff. I used a brush when I set my eyes before, and I don't think it does as well. I love this powder. Right there. I always get confused when I should be like adding like powder versus when I should add setting spray. But I'm just gonna take the Maybelline pressed powder and just put it, like, set the rest of my face. Maybelline ain't no joke. And it didn't take my glow away. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Sephora collection bronzer. This is the old one. I love it. What is that? I think it's because, like, I got, like, water in it or something. I don't know. More bronzed. And next, I love this blush. It's from the brand Tease. It's the Suit of Armor blush. It's in the shade Don't Blush Me. I got it in an Allure box. But look, when I say a little goes a long way with this. And I did that again. We're a little blush heavy, but I think the look is still looking. Next, I got this highlighter stick. It's by 19-99 Beauty. If I'm being completely honest, I don't know when the right time to put a highlighter stick is. God damn. I'm feeling myself. For lip liner, we have the NYX. This one's the retractable crayon in the shade Nude Pink. Welcome back. We got this far with our face because I fucked it up earlier. But I digress. Now we are on to lip tint. I did line my lips with the NYX retractable pencil in the shade Nude Pink. Now I'm going in with the Para Ink Velvet. These are so underrated. I got mine from Yes Style. I'll have it linked. When I see these stains don't go anywhere. First of all, they feel like you have nothing on. Second of all, look at that color. And that will be there forever. Drinking, kissing, it doesn't go anywhere. All right, now I'm gonna set my face. This is the Rare Beauty, Always an Optimist. I have not used this enough. I really like the mister though. Look how glowy I am. I really feel like this is the reason that I'm glowing. Again, I'm linking this down below in the TikTok shop. This is like ridiculous. For mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Wander Beauty Mile High Club. I have purchased this mascara so many times, and I have so many mascaras, but this is like, I need it in my life. This is with just one coat. Bam. And lastly for this look, we are going in with the Polite Society Lip Plumper. Pray for me. This shit works. If you do not like a spicy lip plumper, this is not for you, but I do. No, it doesn't burn yet, but it will. This is the final look. I think I did a better job than what I did before. Let me know what you think. If you have any tips on what I could do better, please drop them in the comments. And if you've made it, drop some orange hearts. Love you guys. Bye.